Finally, we've got a brand new release from Soundcore. It's called the Space series. Let's check it out right now. Alright, so there you go. Let's open this box right now. And introducing the Space series. And what they want to do is basically to create space for yourself where you are not distracted by noise. So we've got two brand new products here. First is the headphone called Space Q35, a successor to last year's Live Q30 and Q35. I'm super excited to check this one out. I love their last release and can't wait to see what's new here. And next is another True Wireless earbuds called Space A40. And this one is supposed to be one of the best True Wireless earbuds under $100. So we're going to check it out as well. Okay, last but not least, in our box right here, we've got a notebook. Pretty nice notebook, and this is made of paper and eco-friendly, so yeah, that's good. And let's start by checking out the Space A40 first. So taking a look at the box here, I think this time they focus more on increasing the ANC performance as well as the playtime. So the ANC now adapts to your surroundings, something that we don't have for under $100 earbuds. And we have 10 hours of playtime with 50 hours with the charging case, which is a crazy amount. And also it's gonna be super small. So let's check it out and by opening the box right now. It's a very soft tape, so we don't have any sound there, but let's see what's inside. All right, so that's the charging case. That is really, really small. And the earbuds itself, 10 hours out of these things, that's insane. Okay, so we got what I assume is a 3 LED battery indicator in front there. We've got actually a very soft to touch plastic here with that super nice Soundcore logo. I love that. The glossy touch there. And also we've got a pairing and factory reset buttons here. So they really sort you out on that, and of course a USB-C charging port. So as you can see right here, the LED indicator indicates pairing mode like that, which is nice. And then if I check out Soundcore Space A40. So while waiting for that to pair, let's see what else do we have inside the box. All right, so as usual, we've got some paperwork. Oh, we need to tear that. It's a pretty nice quality ear tips. You've got 4 extra pairs on top of the ones that are already installed. And check that out, it has a metal mesh inside. And I love the attention to detail they always put into these. And also for the ear tips themselves, as you can see, it has some more plastic bit inside to prevent earwax to just clog up the sound hole there. A decent length cable, probably 1/2 meter with Soundcore branding. That's nice. And also I just noticed that the upper part here is a very high quality molded rubber, which is something I haven't seen before, and it just screams quality, right? So let's try it on. I think the ANC is on right now and I'm talking. Like the bass of my own voice is just totally gone. So that's a really nice ANC, but we're definitely going to test out more. So don't forget to subscribe to see the full review of these earbuds. Okay, so my thoughts on the transparency mode here. It's one of those that actually lets in your own voice. So you can, hear your own when you're talking, because usually you can hear what's surrounding you, but when you're talking, it's just not there. You can't hear yourself. Sound-wise, I don't think it's the most natural sounding transparency, but yeah, first impression, it's pretty good. Okay, finally, let's check out how it sounds. When you're changing between ANC transparency mode, it doesn't interrupt the music, which is nice. All right, first impressions about the sound. I think Soundcore moved away a little bit from their bass, like heavy tuned sound into something more balanced, across the frequency, you get that bass, you get the vocals, not so piercing on the treble end. I think that's something they improved from the last tuning, but I think it could use some extra tuning. Just as always with all Soundcore products, their app support is simply one of the best out there. But unfortunately, I don't think I can show you the app support here. As you can see, it failed there because this is a new product. So look forward to the full review. We'll see how good we can make this sound. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the Space A40. Let's move on to the headphones now, something that I'm actually more interested in, and let's unbox it right now. right, the Space Q45 noise cancel playtime extended. That says it all. It has better ANC. It has more playtime, 50 hours inside this thing. And as you can see here, strong targeted noise cancelling. As usual, we have the high-res sound. We have AI enhanced calls via 2 mics. We'll check out the mic test later. I'm going to test this one as well, just in this small environment. But if you want the outdoor test, I'm gonna do it in the full review as always. Okay, let's open it right now. As always, we only get this box, so it's pretty straightforward. We also have our paperworks right there, and let's open this box. Compared to the Soundcore Live Q30 that I reviewed before, this is a nicer box, slightly smaller because it's more rounded on the edges here, but still feels super nice. All right, so we don't have the pouch right here, but we do have kind of a separator, even though that's plastic. It's probably only for shipping, but if you're going to carry it, then you're gonna be carrying it like this. So unfortunately, we don't have that small pouch that I get before on the Q30, but the cable is still pretty nice. It's 1/2 meter long, Soundcore branded and everything. You also get a 3.5 millimeter cable. You have like this textured cable here, probably to resist tangling and stuff. And let's take a look at the headphones themselves. First is the ear cups. As you can see, the design here is slightly tweaked. It's more rounded. You know, I love it more than ever. And all this time, I just wanted to let you know, this thing is super soft. Like, it's really soft, probably as soft as my baby skin. So that's insanely soft. And that's a memory foam. If you can see there, tap on it, there you go, slowly jumps back. I love that the branding is very sleek here. It doesn't stand out too much, but it is there. You can see the Soundcore logo, you can see the Space series here, and we can see that the buttons here, we've got the noise cancellation button, we've got the power button, we've got the USB-C charging, and the buttons are nice and tactile. One good thing I wanted to say here is the NC, you know, the logos here on the buttons, they're actually not paint, but they are, you know, carved onto the plastic itself. So it's something that's not gonna fade away over time, which did happen to my Live Q30. That also applies the same to the play pause button here, the volume buttons here, as well as the 3.5 millimeter jack. Okay, as far as the shape goes and how it bends, I think it's pretty soft and, you know, sturdy. We have a metal top here, which is good, so it's not gonna snap, but we still have plastic sides here. And as for foldability, you can fold both sides, so you can just do this, you know, or the other way around, like that. So it's up to you, really. And yeah, you know what? I can't wait to put it on, listen to it. So let's do exactly that. Let's turn it on right now. And if I hold the power button, that lights up white and then blue for pairing. So let's see, we have Soundcore Space Q45 ready here. Pair. We are using AAC, but of course we can turn LDAC on inside the app, which again, I cannot show you because by the time of recording, this is still not released yet. But let's see how it fits. Oof. The ANC, guys, everything just disappears. Like, even my own voice disappears. This thing is insane. I'm telling you right now, this thing is next level. There is some slight hissing, like very low hissing, but that easily disappears with music. So now I'm gonna tap this button and move on to transparency mode. And okay, transparency mode is nice. I mean, I can hear my own voice again, which is very important when I'm talking to someone. And I can hear, you know, the surroundings pretty naturally. Again, there is slight hissing there, but it's not something that you should worry about. And yeah, I think very important part here is both the Space series support multi-point pairing. So no matter if you pick the True Wireless earbuds or the headphones, you can pair to 2 devices and switch between them seamlessly, which is nice. Alright, I just want to quickly add, because I forgot to talk about the fit, which is super important. And I'm currently wearing glasses and it doesn't, you know, really interfere with my glasses at all, which is very nice. It's very comfortable. The clamping force is not too much. Probably the only downside to this is if you shake your head slightly to the back, you know, it will move to the back and probably fall down, but it doesn't fall down this time around, so that's good. But yeah, so far, super impressed. Okay, back to the video now. All right, so now let's put on some music and I'm gonna tell you my first impressions. Oh my goodness. I don't know how much this is priced yet, but if it's anywhere between 100 or 150 bucks, I don't think there's anything else that could beat it. And I just tested that the sound quality didn't change throughout all the EQs, which is a nice upgrade compared to the Live Q30. I had to make 2 EQs based on transparency or ANC, and the sound quality is just so nice. If Live Q30 was something that I was like, okay, I need to tune this, it's very hard to find the fault in it. It sounds really nice out of the box. So far, super impressed. Probably is going to be my best recommendations for the year going forward. Okay, so welcome to the microphone test. This is the Soundcore Space A40. What do you think of the microphone quality? This is an indoor place with pretty quiet, you know, nothing going on, just my kid playing right there. But yeah, I'll be doing the noise canceling tests both indoors and outdoors in my full review, so definitely stay tuned for that. And these two have 3 mics in each earbud, as well as AI and noise cancellation, so I'm expecting great things from the earbud. Okay, let's switch over to the headphones right now. Okay, so here we are now with the Soundcore Space Q45. What do you think of the sound quality? Instead of 3 microphones, these has only 2 mics, but still back with that AI noise cancellation. So it still should be pretty good. And the most important thing, in my opinion, is the NC button is still usable when you're inside a phone call like this. So you can switch over to transparency by just tapping that. This is something that you still cannot do with the Space A40. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the microphone test. Let's get back to the video and wrap it up now. All right, I guess that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I've had fun, you know, giving my first impressions, listening to all these new products, and I hope you had fun as well. So do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to see the full reviews when it's out. Let me know what kind of songs, what kind of earbuds and headphones do you want me to compare these things to. Oh, and don't forget, I'll try to put affiliate links down below, so please use that to buy anything you need. It will really help me and support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Kenneth, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. That's nice.